Hi guys, welcome to the channel, thanks for tuning in. So today I'm going back up to the mountains. There's a bit of unfinished business with a section I was going to do the last day, but I had injured my knee and I didn't want to take the risk, so let's see how we get on. So on the channel I've had a few comments about different things, and I do actually like getting the comments, even the critical ones, because well, I mean, I'm just making this up as I go along, so if there's something I can do better, absolutely let me know. Okay, so just going back to something I saw the last day, and everything was really wet and slippery, so it's a little bit drier anyway, which is good. Well, it's a lot drier, to be fair. Ooh. I think this is it. Yes, it is. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have a walk first. Okay, so you have the obvious line here, which is just up the side. It doesn't look like much fun, although it could be parts. Yeah, the rock's pretty loose. So yeah, so the obvious part to get momentum is to come up the side and keep my momentum going. Straight through the middle here. It does look like there's a few areas here where it flattens out a little bit. So, if I do lose momentum, it'll be easy enough to regain. Okay. Okay. This is probably the worst bit. Right. I'm not sure the good people of Honda ever intended their CB500X to be doing this. But okay, what could possibly go wrong? Okay, so I'm probably going a little too fast to control the bike. This is not pretty. Shit. Oh. Okay. Well. Oh. Okay. I think I got over the worst bit. That was not graceful, but it worked. bike is quite heavy and it's digging in quite a bit. There's still a lot of water underneath the earth. All right. Okay. Okay, it wasn't graceful, but we got up. So I kind of don't mind going up things too much. I mean, worst case scenario is you fall off. Going down things I find is much worse. But for me, much more intimidating. I know there's guys feel the opposite, and there's guys that love going down things. I don't know, I can't have a fear of heights anyway, so probably all adds to it. So, I was out on the WR250 Enduro bike yesterday. I'm kind of finding it a little bit difficult adjusting between the two. I've almost been overly cautious on the WR, and I'm thinking this bike is lighter than it is then when I'm on this. At least I can see the bottom now anyway. Unfortunately, this is too many branches and stuff for the drone here. Okay. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.